Lauren from AutoCraze Caringbah. Let's see what we got on today. Here comes Junior.
G'day guys, Junior from AutoCraze Caringbah. Today we've got this brand new Terra Hilux SR5, getting a front and rear rival bar, colour coded to the pearl white, along with a stainless steel AutoCraze Snorkel and a 2-inch AutoCraze lift kit with upper arms and some comfort rear leaves. And on top of all of that, some fuel crush wheels wrapped in some Nitto tyres. Watch Matty do his thing. G'day everyone, it's Junior from AutoCraze Caringbah. Today I've got our own Hilux. You've seen this in 3